How to build a 10K per month business in just 2 hours a day without hustle. Have you ever felt like you're running out of time and yet you're still not making enough money to truly care for your family? I know the feeling. I was watching the clock, working hard, but deep down I realized this isn't the freedom that I was promised. But what if there was a way to build real business in just 2 hours a day while keeping 100% of the sales revenue without sacrificing your family, your peace, or your faith? Stick with me because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm building a legacy with the system that's right on the screen in front of you right now. That's already created hundreds of six-figure earners around the entire world. Some of them in South Africa are even millionaires. Hey friends, I'm Alan Pettit and welcome to Legacy Blueprint Now, the channel where we help you build assets, not just income. I'm a husband, a dad, and a believer in Jesus Christ. And for me, business has never been just about money. It's about creating time, freedom, and living with purpose and building a legacy that will outlast me. I don't know where you are right now. Maybe you're working long hours and missing family moments. Maybe you've tried side hustle after side hustle, and they all feel like more hustle than results. And maybe you burnt out on programs that promised the world but left you more stressed than ever before. Maybe you're a burnt out salesperson like I was, who was working at a job just never fully appreciated you. You would break all the sales records and they couldn't wait until you messed up to take away all your wonderful commission for the whole month the very next minute after you have successfully crushed all the records that the company has never ever thought would be broken. That is a place where I was at in multiple jobs that I worked at as a salesperson. And I get it. I've been there. I needed something extremely different than that. So let's be real. Most side hustles would drain you. There's low pay, hours of wasted time, and usually they pull you further away from your family. A traditional business is even worse. You're going to be spending 10 times the amount of investment for your time, your money, huge startup cost. Employees are so expensive. All the things you have to go through with HR, inventory, stress that you never even asked for when you just want something that makes money. Well, I found a way. I definitely didn't want any of that. I wanted a simple, proven business, that strategy that was scalable, and it was more or less basically just me, because I didn't want to deal with the different layers of having employees and all of the craziness of benefits. Forget that. Something that didn't force me to bug my friends, like network marketing and family. I didn't want to ruin those relationships. And although I'm good at tech, I didn't really want to learn a whole bunch of new complicated tech either. So, and here's the truth: you don't need more tasks on your plate. You need the right tasks that actually produce income. That's when I discovered the Legacy Builder program. That's this one here right in the middle, the Legacy Builder 2.0. It's a system that is built on what's called master resell rights. And here's why that's a game changer. Instead of small affiliate commissions, you own all of the rights. Every time you make a sale, you keep 100% of the sales revenue. So people buy this Legacy Builders program from you. It's an online course together with a community and vault of different library of mentoring, training, coaching, weekly live coaching with Zooms. It's a huge program that over 55,000 people are participating in. When you buy that, you spend $900. And when they buy it from you, you get all that. You get the entire $900. That's after one customer, you're already in profit mode. You get your money back basically. 12 customers a month, that's the $10,000 month that I've titled this video, How to Build a 10K Month Business. So just do the math. You get 12 customers paying you $900 each. That's a little more than $10,000 a month. So how do you actually do this with just the 2-hour day that I mentioned in the title of this video? The program walks you through a simple blueprint. 30 minutes posting free ads on high traffic websites for the first 30 minutes. Then you get a whole hour that you need to dedicate to creating short form content. I mean, we're not talking anything crazy here, just 7-second clips, 30-second reels, 1-minute videos with trending sounds. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. And then the final 30 minutes of the 2-hour workday is responding to the comments and the emails that you'll get from all your social media exposure and people reaching out to you directly, reaching out to you, not you directly, DMing them. They're going to reach out to you. And that's it. 2 hours a day. And the beauty is you have an automated system, a funnel that runs 24/7, collecting emails, following up with the leads for you, generating sales while you sleep. It's amazing. You invest in that for just $39 for this complete automated system. It's incredible. And that's why I call this not just income, but it's actually an asset for you. Assets work even when you don't work. And here's what I love. This is not just a theory. I've seen moms who are working 2 full-time jobs finally quit and come back home to their kids and actually get to experience the milestones that they were missing going forward. And I've seen dads who were chained to their corporate careers finally reclaim their mornings, their health, their faith, and their family time, where they can become the spiritual head of the family where they should be, where God has designed them to be. I'm especially calling you, Christian dads, to really pray about this invitation to this business and to a future that is designed for you. Because I especially desire to work with Christian dads to encourage them, pray for them, and provide any business mentoring that I have been able to succeed and pass on to them, as it all included with your investment of buying into the program. And if you're getting any value at all so far, having any kind of hope in changing the future for the good and ending this year the way it should be, not continuing to proceed forward in the calamity of what it is currently, but actually feeling a nudge from the Holy Spirit to move towards something new and not just the same insanity over and over again, then please do me a giant favor. Help this channel out by commenting. Just throw a comment right now into the comments saying, yes, I'm ready, or praying about this, or any questions you have. Just throw something into the comments right now. I want to interact with you directly. As I mentioned, that's part of my 2-hour day is following up on comments on all my social media, including this video. So please do that right now. Just pause the video, throw a comment in, and then unpause when you're ready to move forward. Okay, so assuming you've had a nice moment there to pray about something and comment, I thank you very much for that. Appreciate that. I just want to let you know that I've personally stepped into this model because I believe in it. It's honest, it's scalable, and it aligns with my values as a Christian who doesn't want to sacrifice family at the altar of the hustle culture out there with all the fake gurus and everything like that. This is a legitimate, real product that has taught me how to use social media attraction marketing to organically grow the audience that's listening and getting value, liking, subscribing to this channel, and also to my other digital products that I've built that are my own, like my online prayer course that I have. It's so much momentum and new knowledge I've learned. Being able to implement it has been a game changer for being able to find the right people to discover the online course that I had created long before I got it plugged into this Legacy Builder program. It was a truly inspirational online course. If you'd like to know more about the online course, just comment prayer in the comments next to here, the prayer course, and I would be happy to get you the details on that. So moving forward, let me ask you this. What would $10,000 a month mean for you? Would it mean finally getting out of debt? Would it mean more time with your family and your kids? Would it mean leaving a job that drains you, is killing you, sucking the energy out of you daily? Just close your eyes for just a second and imagine 1 year from now. What if you had both the income and the time freedom you have been praying for? What is it the day look like? Is it feel warm? Are you on a beach? Are you just, binge watching a fun show with your kids? What are you doing a year from now? Now, that's the exact vision that this program is designed to create, and you can walk into that vision. Now, here's the best part: you don't have to figure out the what all this on your own. Like I mentioned earlier, when you join through me, you get access to not just the system and the products and the library vault of mentoring. There's thousands of hours of videos to go through to any kind of subject that you could possibly think of that you need help with. It's been over a 3-year period. This legacy builder program has been ignited and has exploded, and all of that is documented, so you can get the mentoring you need from past mentoring and live weekly Zooms that happen. All of that at the community of over 56,000 people. And the mentorship I mentioned, it's weekly live Zoom calls you can get access to for any level of investment you make. The Legacy Builder is a $900 program. It gives you 4 income streams that you can make money with: a $900 level, a $600 level, a $300 level, and a $100 level. You don't have to do the big shebang there for the Legacy Builder. You could go to the $600 digital mastery program instead. You still get 3 streams of revenue to resell, plus learn how to promote your own stuff. That's included in digital mastery, and that's a $600 investment. And you definitely can, maybe I said magistry on purpose there, but maybe that's something God has a word for you about. And then $300 to buy into the daily passive pay, and only $100 for the launch pad, where you get one line of revenue to resell, and not quite as much, because the more you invest, the more info you get, and going all the way up to the Legacy Builder, which is worth every single penny of the $900 investment for you. So here's what I like to do here at this point. Check the link in the description. Join the program on whichever level you feel comfortable at that I just mentioned, and let's start building your legacy blueprint together. Like, let's just think about that, pray on that, and see, is there a peace with moving forward? And before you go, I definitely want to still hear from you. If you haven't done so yet, please drop a comment below and tell me if you have had both the income, and if you had both the income and the time, what's the very first thing that you would do for your family? Just go ahead and drop that in the comments right now. Pause the video, drop it in there, and I'll be reading every single comment. I love to pray for you, pray for your journey, pray over whatever you're posting about, and and especially your journey as you step into this new season. And remember, friends, income pays the bills. You got to earn income. The more you earn, the better you are getting assets that are building your legacy. You got to learn the skills to pay the bills, build those assets to build your legacy. And especially, I really hope and pray we can do this together and learn to build wisely. And putting God first is number one. And unless God is at the center of it, everything else is made in vain. So I want to thank you very much for watching this video. And all you got to do now, like I said, if you're ready, is comment blueprint below, and we can get the information all to you right now. So appreciate your time. Thanks for for watching this long video, and look forward to seeing you in the comments. Take care and God bless.